You may have noticed when you arrived today that there was a console sitting on the table that allows us to check out customers who want to use a credit card for payment. Don't be afraid. This console is really easy to use. The console is basically an iPad and a stand that allows your customer to tap or insert their card. There is also a swipe attachment in case neither of those methods work. The app that we are using for all of this is called Square. You tap to open it. Immediately, you will see a list of the items that we will be selling at the pumpkin patch. To add an item to the cart on the right, simply tap that item. The charge amount on the blue button at the bottom of the screen has been updated. If we click another item, that will automatically be added to the cart and the total amount updates. To add a pumpkin to the cart, you do things a bit differently. Each pumpkin has a different size, so the amount you enter for the pumpkin is a different amount. There should be a measuring tape that you can use to determine the size of the pumpkin and how much to charge. Once you have an idea of how much you want to charge, tap the button called Bulk Pumpkin. You see a calculator pop up. All you need to do is enter the amount you want to charge and click the Add button. For example, let's say you have a pumpkin that costs $20. Simply enter $20 into the calculator and tap the plus button. Then you see the list of items go back, and you'll notice that the pumpkin has been added. The charge amount has also been updated. When you are done adding all the items to the cart, click the blue charge button that has the total amount on it. You'll see the console light up. You can tap, insert, or swipe the customer's card at this time, and Square will do the rest. Simple.